Evo nas ljudi, nova epizoda, nastavljamo tačno tamo gdje smo stali. U prošloj epizodi smo rešili sve misije kod Vlada, a sad treba da sačekamo da nam se pojavi nova misija. Verovatno sad treba da radimo misije kod Romana. Evo ga, zove nas Roman. Evo, zvao nas je Roman i bukvalno sad možemo da radimo neke posliće za njega, ono, side misije i to sve, ali to me nešto i ne zanima. Ali eto, sad smo dobili misiju kod njega, tako da idemo da rešavamo misije za njegovu taksi kompaniju propalu. I ulazi prijatelj u misiju.
Hey, what's wrong?
Yeah, cousin. Bullshit.
What's bullshit?
Mallory.
Oh, what about her?
I like her. I really like her.
But you keep messing around with other women.
Yeah. No. I think she's messing around with Vlad. I saw his car parked outside her place the other day.
Yeah,
You knew?
I had suspicions.
You fucking knew?
What was I going to say?
You knew my woman was banging this warthog and you didn't do anything?
I didn't
say anything?
I didn't know.
You're an asshole, Niko. A disloyal user! After what I did for you, you dick! You fucking dick!
I'm sorry.
Screw you!
All right, so you want me to deal with it right now?
No. Sit down.
No! I'm not going to stand here and have you call me disloyal. You might let some Russian asswipe bang your woman, but I won't.
But you fucking did!
That was before I knew you cared. You always were a hypocrite.
Niko, wait. Don't do anything stupid. Wait for me!
Wait. Give me a drink. Anyway, я говорю про капусту. Зачем нужно жрать капусту, если есть картошка?
Hey,
Картошка!
bloody boy! I'd like a word with you.
What are you doing here? Did I summon you?
Boy, I told you to stay away from Mallory.
Go away!
And now Roman is upset.
Oh, Roman is upset.
Excuse me.
Do you think I give a fuck, peasant? Oh, there he is. Hey, fatty. I'm so sorry you're so upset. Oh, poor fucking whore.
Hey, Vlad, can't we just talk about this?
You stay away from Mallory.
I must be hearing things. I could have sworn for a minute this ratty little yokel told me what to do. Did you hear that, boys?
Yeah.
Now, get them out of here. Come on.
Hoće probleme. Ubi jednog, ubi drugog. Vidi ga, pobeže Vlad. Sad što si bežao, sjevo ovdje nas čeka Roman i sad treba da jurim Vlada. Ala piči ovaj Vlad, znači, vozi čovjek ko Schumacher. Za malo se autobus zabio u nas, jebem ti autobus. Evo ga, Vlad izišao je tu, izlazi odavde. Gde si Vlad, legendo?
Fucking yokel, you think you can get away with killing me?
I guess I'll find out.
You think this is worth it? You are throwing you and your fatty cousin's lives away for that bit of Puerto Rican chocha!
I'm throwing brick. We'll do all right.
My friends will track you down! You won't last a moment!
I'll last longer than you will, shithead.
Fuck you! I wish I could be there to watch Mikhail cut your peasant balls off! You've killed yourself.
Ma znaš šta, brate, mislim ono neće moći više tako, znači op i rokni ga.
My friends will find you. You were the stupid one, Vladdy boy. Nobody fucks with my family. You're a big boy, Vladdy.
Niko!
Well, I guess this is over.
What have you done?
Who does it look like?
We're dead!
No, he's dead. We're fine.
He has powerful friends. Serious people. I told you to be calm, you halted and jumped!
I am calm. He tried to kill us. He screwed your girlfriend. What do you expect? I give him a massage?
Shit! Shit!
When I was in the army, we were going on a mission. To ambush a squad who'd killed a lot of innocent people. They were our enemies. But we never did it. There were 15 of us, all boys from the village. But one of us betrayed the group. It was a setup. For money. 12 people died. 3 escaped. I know the traitor was not me. So for 10 years, I've been searching for the other 2. One of them lives here.
Why are you telling me this now? Do you always get sentimental after you kill people?
You kept asking.
Wonderful. You're here on some revenge mission for something that happened 10 years ago, and you don't care whose life you ruin anyway.
No,
Well, what?
I don't know. I just want to know why they did it.
Well, right now, I don't think you're going to find out. Let's hide the body, at least for a while.
Put him in the river.
I feel Faustin is going to kill us. Shit. We should get out of here.
You go. I'll catch up with you later.
Vlad je gotov i sad treba da čekamo misiju da nam se pojavi. Evo ga, zove nas Roman. Evo, zvao nas je Roman i bukvalno čovjek šapuće. Čovjek se sakrio u kontejner kod onog bioskopa. Tako da treba tu da dođemo, znači taj bioskop je tu. Tako da, prijatelju, ulazi u misiju.
Where are you, Roman?
Psst, Niko!
Roman, what are you doing in the dumpster, man?
Are they there?
What are you talking about? Get out of there, man.
I'm freaking out, man. I'm being followed. I saw them.
Don't be ridiculous. You're being paranoid.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Everything was fine, and then you show up, and now we're dead. Because Faustin is a psychopath. He's going to kill us. Because we killed Vlad. Vlad was his man. That's how it works. You kill their guy, they kill you!
Roman, get out of there, man. Listen to me. Vlad was a piece of trash. They don't care about him. All they care about is making money. So, we say we work for them. Now get out of there. You smell like cabbage.
I don't want to, man. I'm shitting myself. Oh!
Get out of the dumpster, Mr. Fatman! Come on, fatty. The boss wants a little chat.
Wake up! We had to gag him to stop the screaming. You shouldn't have brought them here, Andrei.
Why not? You've been a bad boy, Mr. Balkan. And the boss is not happy.
Oh no, I shit my pants.
Not yet, but you will. Who are you working for?
My cousin, Roman. Don't be an idiot.
That's not good enough. I'm gonna saw off your fucking arm. Speak!
Okay. You're dead like sit up the ass. What do you want me to say, huh? Ow!
Very funny. Do you think you're so smart?
No! I'm tied up in the basement a long way from home, while some ape threatens me with a hacksaw. So no, I'm not that smart.
Shut the fuck up! My fucking wife is watching television. Good Lord. What are you doing?
Nothing. I mean, I was finding out who he is.
And? Who is he?
He is his cousin.
You were about to cut up some guy in my house, making all that noise to find out he's his cousin. Where did you find this idiot?
He was a friend of your sergeant when we were in Vladivostok.
He's an imbecile. So, Niko Bellic, you think it's okay to kill my employees?
If he is an asshole, yes.
Do it! I agree. Asshole, look at me like I'm a piece of shit.
Боже мой.
Now listen, Niko Bellic. You are very lucky Vlad was an idiot. The only reason I keep him around is because I fucked his sister. Look at me. You owe me. I got some digheads in my neighborhood trying to run a shipment, yeah?
And we found a buyer for the TVs.
Yes, a buyer. But you got to get them for us so we can make the sale.
Can you untie Roman?
Хорошо.
Shut up, Roman. Roman, shut up!
Shut him up!
Shut up, Roman!
Shut the fuck up!
Roman, shut up!
Fuck! Shut up!
Stop shooting people, you maniac!
My wife doesn't like when people shout!
Whatever! You better get those screens soon!
Or I will personally pull your cousin's stitches out, one by one, and watch his guts spill onto the floor. Clean this shit up.
Listen, we'll take care of your cousin, but you better get a police car. And then you call me.
Roman! Roman!
Go! I'll take care of him.
Fuck!
Koja je ovo putala, ovaj ode Faustin, majku mu njegovu. Ali eto, treba da nađemo pandurski auto. Evo ga, ovdje taman dolazi ovaj pandurski auto. Tako i treba da pokrademo. Znači, on će tu negdje da se parkira. Tako je. Neka ga. Nek prvo ovaj pandur zađe tamo iza kućerka. I lepo mi dođemo i ukrademo auto bez ikakvih problema. Aha, znači sad treba da nađemo neke kombije i da ih zaustavimo pre nego što dođu do svog odredišta. Ti kombiji u sebi drže televizore, to jest neki drže televizore, neki ne. Ovaj ovdje izgleda da ne drži televizor, ali za svaki slučaj ćemo ga zaustaviti, pošto treba to da uradimo. I treba da se parkiram tu blizu prozora. Treba da ga priupitam da li kaj on prodaje televizore. Ovaj ovdje ne prenosi ništa. Idemo dalje da vidimo šta i drugi ovi ljudi prenose. Da vidimo da li drugi prenosi televizor, ako ne drugi onda treći 100% mora da prenosi televizore. Da vidimo da li ovaj ovdje prenosi kombije, to jest ove televizore. Evo ga, parkirao se čovjek i treba da mu dođemo ovdje na prozor. I ovaj nema televizore. Ova dvojica već imaju televizore. Ova dvojica imaju televizore, tako da parkiraj se i dolazi tu. I ja ovi prevoze ove ovdje televizore. Jao, prevoze televizor, još plus hoće čovjek da bude kurčevit, pa ne može, to su sad moji televizori. Sad ovo treba da odvezem do garaže. Super, juri nas milicija, sad treba s ovim kombijem da bežimo od policije. Evo, pobegli smo miliciji, sad treba do garaže da odem da dostavim ove ovdje televizore. Evo, tu je ta garaža i parkiraj se tu, prijatelju moj. I to je to, znači, žurili smo i tu smo prešli misiju i sad imamo novi kontakt, to jest Faustina. Evo, sad zovemo Dimitrija. Dobro, evo, zvali smo ovog ovdje Dimitrija, rekao je da je Roman dobro, da je Faustin ono malo da je fiju i to je to. I sad treba da sačekamo telefonski poziv od Faustina da možemo dalje njegove misije da radimo. Evo ga, zove nas Roman. Opa, zvao nas je Roman, znači da nas obavesti da je ono dobro, zašto ga onaj bukvalno Faustin pogodio u stomak sa pištoljem. Da je čovjek na ovim painkillerima. Ali eto, sad smo dobili misiju kod Faustina, tako da idemo dalje da rešamo misije za čika Faustina. I ulazi u misiju.
Hey, Niko.
Hey,
Come in.
thank you.
Lay off that stuff.
Why?
Because it clouds your judgment. Not now, it's not the time.
My judgment. That's a good one. I'm a fool. A drunken fool.
Niko's here. We're going to go take care of that guy. I take it you won't be joining us?
Make him suffer. People forget pain so quickly.
You need to calm down with that stuff.
Calm? Why? So I can be like you, Mr. Barbichit? Always so fucked up on painkillers, you don't give a shit?
You need to calm down.
Where would we be now if I was calm like you?
Let me guess. In a prison camp in Siberia, or selling hash to tourists in Red Square, or still in the Navy. Which is it today?
Be careful, Dimitri. Be fucking careful.
You be careful. You're getting crazy.
That's the way it works. I am angry. You are calm. I scare you reason. It works.
Yes, but you've angered the wrong people.
Blah, blah,
Too many
blah,
bodies,
blah,
too much
blah,
attention
blah,
will
blah,
be
blah.
dealt with if we don't start playing by the rules.
I've angered people. Me? Not we. Strange. When I give out the money, it's us. When I have to push people, it's me. All alone. Don't think I cannot see through you. After all we've done together.
You're getting delusional. Look, we have to go.
I fucking love you.
Yes, yes.
I fucking love you.
I know.
Yeah.
Yes.
But you treat me like a child. I run things my way. Dimitri Raskolov, my fucking way! Get out of my sight! Or I fucking kill you!
I'm not saying don't run things your way. I'm saying be calm. Here. Take a couple of these.
What are you still doing here? I said get out of my sight!
Budala! Šta drugo reći nego budala? Znači, okej, treba dodemo do seks shopa. To mi se sviđa. Znači, evo, tu je iza ćoška ovaj ovdje seks shop, tako da parkiraj se tu. I treba da uđemo u prodavnicu samu. Tako da polako, samo dole idemo.
Where's your boss?
What do you mean? He's,
In the back?
No, he's...
Better not be filming.
No, they're just having a meeting, I swear.
Get out of the way!
Fuck. You see? They don't make them like that no more. That's a vintage Bush. If it wasn't for that, I'd say this weren't worth transferring to DVD.
Hey, Joseph! You think you can expand your business interests, make these pornos and sell them, and we won't know about it,
We
huh?
was just waiting till the books was closed at the end of the financial year. Then we was gonna cut you
Your
in.
books are closed until you pay us our cut. Niko, take this and cover Joseph.
Ajmo, kaj Josefe, pričaj, kaj daj pare, da idemo šta će ovaj ovdje. Dobro, ko te jebe, znači treba da ga upucam u nogu, ajde, to je to, kaj je upucan u nogu, prijatelj. Kaj davaj pare da i tebe ne upucam sljedeći put u bugla. Tako i trebaš da mu daješ pare. Al ga je šinuo, znači nokautirao ga, čovjek ne zna gdje se nalazi. Ajde, idemo kaj Dimitri, idemo odavde u 3 lepe pizde materine. Je treba da odem do gun shopa, to je do prodavnice sa oružjem. Evo, stigli smo ovdje do gun shopa, dok je treba ovdje da kupim neko oružje, znači rekao je ovaj ovdje da je na račun ovog ovdje Faustina sve. Dobro, znam ovdje da mogu da kupujem raznorazne stvari ovim ovdje gun shopovima, znači nemoj da me uznemiravaš, tako da uzmemo ovo ovdje, uzmemo ovaj ovdje mikro SMG, uzet ću i čak i par metaka da imam čisto onako. Treba nazad ovog ovdje Dimitrija da odvedem do Faustina. Evo Dimitri, polako se bližimo ka ovo Faustinovoj kući, kaj tako da Dimitri, vidimo se sljedeći put, to je posle, nadam se nikad. Opa, sad ima misiju za Faustina i sad ima misiju za Little Jacoba. Eto, mogao bi dodjem da radi misiju za Little Jacoba, pošto malo sam se uželeo Little Jacoba. U sljedećoj epizodi ćemo završiti sve misije kod čika Faustina. I evo, stigli smo do Little Jacoba.
Hey,
Hey, boy, don't move. Don't move, boy. How are you? Eh? Oh, where you come from? How are you?
Hey, man, I'm here to see Jacob. It's Niko.
Nico? Batman, what going on there, sir? Some boy just beat off the door. Some boy just call himself Niko, say he want to see a road boy. Niko? I'm a boy that Batman, man. Yo, free up the boy, man, yo. Your boy that? Yeah. Sure. Come on, you. Come on, you upstairs to talk to the people and thing, man. I want to control the taxi. People go and thing, you have to be careful and thing.
No, it's okay.
Come on, see,
Hey, don't worry about
watch what you're doing now. See how you're a boy over there, so Niko. Go be with him still. Oh, I'm Niko. You alright?
it. No problem. As good an introduction as any other.
Yeah, me hear that, you know. Anyway, some boy around with bad man, you know. Them want to ask you a favor. Want know? Hey, my you. Some boy them dip on the corner and thing and the boy them sell some things and thing and I go on and I say, oh, them don't want to give me my money and thing and every corner my corner and I want my money and thing, you know. And I said I go in, I want to deal with the case proper. You see? Alright, let me explain. It's a business thing are going down there.
Right.
They are selling weed, but they're not supposed to sell weed. And they're not cutting them in.
Okay.
So when you go down there and deal with them. See?
Right. It's not going to be cheap. Where do I find them?
Cheap? Cheap, my youth. You worry about cheap? We not worry about cheap, you know. The boy them dip on the corner, I say the boy them other things and I my corner that and thing and they say every corner on my corner and thing. I'm gonna write that to the boy them I go on and say, oh, they want to give me my money. Oh, something go on with that. Alright, hear me now. What Batman is saying is the boy them are some novice, see? You go find it when you go up on the corner of Alpha and So or on. See? When you go down and say, you go see and just deal with them, see? And you'll find out how them work, alright?
All right.
Alright. You want someone else to split you?
No, thanks.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Alright, respect. Mario, pass me some of that thing we have over there, sir. Yeah, all that key.
Idemo da nađemo nekog lerdija u Južnom Bohanu. Znači ovo je prvi put u serijalu da idemo u Južni Bohan, to je South Bohan, tako da idemo tamo. Ma znaš šta, prolazi kroz ovu rampu, neću da im dajem $5. Ljudi, znate li šta je $5? Za to mogu da kupim kurac. Sad valja pobeći miliciji, jevim ti miliciju, ali ajde lako ću pobeći. Izađem iz ovog ovdje kruga, sačekamo malo da nestane milicija i to je to. Evo sad tu treba da se parkiramo i treba da pronađemo tog dilera. Evo ga, to je onaj tamo lerdi, to je kod kontejnera. Evo ga, vidi kad čovjek dila travu. Opa, čovjek ide po još robe. Sad treba da ga pratimo i treba da se potrudimo da on nas ne primeti, tako da treba vamo da držim neku distancu između njega i mene. Osjećam se sad po Assassin's Creedu kada radim one tailing misije. Koliko više treba da ga pratim, ja mislim da ovo ovdje zgradi, ovaj ovdje skup ovih budala. I jao, preplašio sam ga. Dobro, kada mi su brza posuda, ne moram da ga pratim ko budala. Ono, pešice, nego malo brže. Te bežiš, srno malena. Polako. Vidi ovaj ide piša. Nek piša. Ma, dokle više treba da te pratim. Evo ga. Treba ovdje da pobijem ove sve dilere. Jedan ubijen, jedan otišao drugi. I otišao i treći, znači nema više nikoga ovdje. I prešli smo misiju. Evo ga, sad zovemo Little Jacoba da ga obavestimo da smo se rešili konkurencije. Tako je, više niko neće da zajebava Little Jacoba. Ali eto, u sljedećoj epizodi nastavljamo misije za Faustina.